Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sita Nindya Suci and my NPM is 2104040200044. My presentation into two parts. First part about the cause the vacuum my business mural, and two part about restarting my mural business after a long vacuum. Okay, let me start the presentation. First part in my presentation about the cause the vacuum my mural business. In the past, I often received mural job. However, we had to take a hiatus few months ago because my father was sick and had to stop working for several months, which made our family economy not in good condition. So to help my mother buy my father medicine and pay for my little brother's school, I decided to take part-time work at a company outside of working hours from my regular job. On the other hand, 4 months after that, my mentality was not fine. I was mentally down because I thought about of other people's opinion and attitude that were too bad for me without finding out the real fact. So I dropped and I was taken to hospital. Let's move the next part. Second part in my presentation about restarting my mural business after a long vacuum. After returning from the hospital, I was determined to help my mental health because I didn't want to see my family sad anymore, namely by expressing all my sadness through picture so that I would become a burden on my mind. Because I have to survive for my father, mother, young brother, and grandmother. As my late grandfather said, I must always remember Ali bin Abi Thalib's beautiful sentence that when you are willing to accept all the disappointment of life, then Allah will completely erase all those disappointment with thousands of good things. Until the end of last semester holiday, my aunt came to my house with the principal of SDN Dilem 1 Kepanjen. At that time, I was drawing on some paper. The headmaster said, "Your picture is very good, girl," and she said she had seen the mural painting on the wall of my own house that I made and also a photo of the painting in my bedroom before the wall was done because told by my aunt. Then she asked me to help support SDM Dilem 1 Kepanjen in the Adiwiyata program by painting mural on 6 wall of the school. Finally, I agree because I want to measure my painting skill. The next day, I was asked to come to school to discuss about salary and mural technical. Step by step to make a mural. Step 1. Book some basic paint and painting equipment and made a mural sketch that had been determined by the school. Step 2. Start painting and create color combination from several basic color paint. Step 3. Painting every night for 3 days with the help of my uncle and my aunt for the painting process. This is the final result of the mural, and feedback from the school is Alhamdulillah, the headmaster and teacher were satisfied and give me salary for my mural. Finally, Public Elementary School Dilem 1 Kepanjen officially continued the Adiwiyata program at the provincial level. The next feedback from the school. 2 weeks later, the headmaster asked me to train several students for a face painting competition held at SMAN 1 Kepanjen. I accept her request and start training and selecting students. I had training and selection process for several students for 3 days. Of the non-students, then only 3 remained students, until finally one student was selected as a finalist in face painting competition with the theme Love Our Earth. Finally, after participating in the face painting competition, the student win one place at the district level. Then the headmaster and teacher thank me and give me a fee for my work result. I want to say in 2 parts that this is the end of my presentation. To sum up, my mural business was once in a vacuum, but after I had the courage to rise from the vacuum, thank God Allah give me continuous good fortune through my mural business. I conclude there that behind there is always a lesson, and when we continue to struggle through the test, we will achieve happiness as a reward. Okay, I will finish here. Thank you all for your extension. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.